Ladies, are you ready to take control of your financial future? Whether you're looking for a side hustle, a full-time business, or a passion project that makes an impact, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into 50 successful business ideas for women, ideas that can change your life, give you financial freedom, and help you build a legacy. So grab a notebook, stay till the end, and let's get started. Section 1. Service-based business ideas. 1. Freelance writing and content creation. If you love writing, businesses are constantly looking for content, blogs, social media posts, scripts, and website copy. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr can help you get started. 2. Virtual assistant. Help businesses manage emails, scheduling, customer service, and more. It's one of the fastest growing online businesses. 3. Social media management. Brands are desperate for social media experts. If you love Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest, turn your passion into profit by managing accounts for small businesses. 4. Online coaching and consulting. If you have expertise in fitness, business, parenting, or relationships, coaching can be a high-income skill. You can conduct one-on-one sessions or group programs. 5. Resume writing and career coaching. Many professionals struggle with resumes and job applications. If you have HR or hiring experience, this is a great niche. 6. Personal styling and wardrobe consulting. Love fashion? Help clients improve their personal style, shop for outfits, and create stunning wardrobes. 7. Event planning. Whether it's weddings, corporate events, or birthdays, event planning is a profitable industry. You can start small and scale up. 8. Interior design and home staging. If you have an eye for design, help people decorate their homes or stage properties for sale. 9. Life coaching and mindset coaching. Women are turning to coaching for personal growth. If you're passionate about helping others, this could be a fulfilling career. 10. Translation services. Fluent in multiple languages? Businesses need translators for websites, documents, and marketing materials. Section 2. Online and digital business ideas. 11. Start a YouTube channel. If you love being on camera, share content on beauty, finance, tech, or any niche you enjoy. 12. Blogging and affiliate marketing. Create a blog, write valuable content, and monetize through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate links. 13. Drop shipping business. Sell products online without handling inventory. Shopify and Etsy make it easy. 14. Print-on-demand business. Create custom designs for t-shirts, mugs, and notebooks and sell them via Printful or Teespring. 15. Selling digital products. Ebooks, templates, and online courses sell well if you have valuable knowledge to share. 16. Voiceover artist. Businesses need female voices for commercials, audiobooks, and YouTube videos. 17. Web design and development. Learn coding and create stunning websites for businesses and entrepreneurs. 18. App development. If you have tech skills, create apps for businesses or even your own innovative idea. 19. Stock photography. Sell high-quality photos to sites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. 20. Podcasting. Start a podcast about business, self-development, or any topic you love, and monetize through sponsorships. Section 3. Product-based business ideas. 21. Handmade jewelry business. Create and sell unique jewelry pieces on Etsy or at local markets. 22. Organic skincare line. Natural beauty products are in high demand. Create and sell organic skincare. 23. Subscription box business. Curate and sell themed subscription boxes for beauty, self-care, books, or wellness. 24. Home decor and handmade crafts. Sell candles, artwork, or home decor pieces on platforms like Etsy. 25. Pet products business. Pet lovers spend millions on high-quality pet accessories and treats. 26. Online thrift store. Resell thrifted or vintage fashion finds online. 27. Kids clothing and accessories. Create or resell stylish and affordable kids fashion. 28. Personalized gifts business. From custom mugs to engraved jewelry, personalization is a hot trend. 29. Baking and custom cakes. If you love baking, offer custom cakes, cupcakes, or healthy snacks. 30. Candle making business. Handmade candles are a booming market with high profit potential. Section 4. Health and wellness business ideas. 31. Fitness coaching and personal training. Help others achieve their fitness goals, online or in person. 32. Yoga instructor teach yoga classes, either in person or virtually. 33. Meal prep and nutrition coaching create healthy meal plans or start a meal delivery service. 34. Holistic healing and wellness coaching offer Reiki, aromatherapy, or holistic wellness services. 35. Natural herbal remedies create and sell natural health products like teas and supplements. Section 5. Education and childcare business ideas. 36. Online tutoring teach students in subjects like math, science, or languages. 37. Childcare business start a daycare or babysitting service. 38. Parenting coaching help new parents with advice and support. 39. Handmade educational toys sell creative toys that enhance learning for kids. 40. Children's book author write and self-publish books for kids. Section 6. Miscellaneous business ideas. 41. Travel planning and consulting help people plan budget-friendly or luxury trips. 42. Property management manage rental properties or Airbnb listings. 43. Car rental business rent out vehicles for passive income. 44. Home cleaning service offer cleaning services to busy professionals. 45. Elderly care services provide companionship or assistance for seniors. 46. Errand running service help busy people with shopping, delivery, or personal tasks. 47. Sustainable and eco-friendly business create and sell eco-friendly products. 48. Floral arrangements and gardening services start a flower shop or offer gardening services. 49. Personal finance coaching teach women how to save, invest, and grow wealth. 50. Motivational speaker inspire others by speaking on success, resilience, and business growth. Wow, that was 50 amazing business ideas for women. Which one excites you the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss valuable content. Now go out there and build your dream business.